Mabuhay everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the power of
Reading!
and how it is essential for everyone's growth and for the progress of the Philippines.
Let's go! Napakahalaga ng pagbabasa para sa kinabukasan ng ating bansa. Kaya't hikayatin natin ang mga bawat Pilipino, lalo na ang mga kabataan, na magbasa. Alam niyo ba, sa pamamagitan ng pagbabasa ay mapapalawak natin ang ating imahinasyon at kaalaman? Tama yan! Parang pagbubukas ng isang pinto sa isang malawak na mundo na puno ng ideya at karunungan. Nakaka-excite, di ba?
According to a study, children who read regularly shows improvements in vocabulary, reading comprehension, and reading skills.
Totoo yun mga bakla. Dati, nahihirapan ako magbasa, pero pinag-igihan ko, ngayon nakakakuha na ako ng matataas na marka.
Research highlights that regular reading enhances our critical thinking skills. We learn to analyze information, identify biases, and form our own informed opinions. These are crucial in today's world.
I just read No Limit ang Here by Dr. Jose Rizal, and it completely changed my perspective on love.
Let's not forget the emotional benefits of reading. Reading helps us develop empathy by understanding characters' perspective and experiences. And it's also a great stress reliever.
Nahihirapan ka ba magbasa? Ang mga sumusunod ay maaaring makatulong sa'yo.
Una, maghanap tayo ng mga babasahin na hindi nakakaantok. Maghanap tayo ng mga aklat at iba pang babasahin na nakakapagpasaya sa atin. Pangalawa, dapat ang pagbabasa ay hindi minamadali. Dapat ito ay pinaglalaanan ng panahon. Pangatlo, pag tayo ay nagbabasa, pwede tayong gumamit ng dictionary or online dictionary para mas maintindihan natin ang ating binabasa.
Reading isn't just about textbooks. Newspapers keep us informed about our current events, novels expand our imagination, and online articles provide access to a wealth of knowledge. Reading isn't just about absorbing information. It's stepping into other people's shoes and seeing things from a fresh angle. It's about challenging your assumptions and understanding of the world around you.
Alam mo ba na napakadaming super cool books na naghihintay na iyong mabasa?
Kaya naman, read a book now and enjoy it!
Pagbasa ay mahalaga para sa pagkatuto at kinabukasan ng bawat batang Pilipino!
Have an open mind! Read with your hearts!
Reading makes you smart. Mabuhay everyone! Thank you for watching.
Once again,
We are Team Lalo!